Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're traveling to Saint-Jean-de-Luz in southwest France. It's the Basque Country. It has a wonderful beach, a long promenade that extends around this semicircular cove, beautiful architecture around the fisherman's port, and as you can see, some stunning views across the bay. There's a cathedral here that has a design that I'd never seen before, with all these galleries and Michelin-starred restaurants around town. Overall, just a beautiful place to visit.
I have to say I'm absolutely in heaven when I come into these French markets or Spanish markets. Today we're in Saint-Jean-de-Luz, just south of Biarritz in the Basque Country, the edges of the Pyrenees in southwestern France. Just amazing food and wine and all kinds of great things to choose from. Cheeses, fresh fruits and vegetables, just unbelievable. And coming off season in mid-December is a great tip.
Now, with Saint-Jean-de-Luz being in the Basque Country, you'll notice that the signs are in French and in Basque. Basque is a really challenging language. So many different cheese options. It's really unbelievable to see what's going on. And being in the Basque Country, you have the Spanish influence of all of the chorizos and jamón ibérico mixed with the great Grand Cru classics from France in the French wine section. The seafood options are out of this world. I've never seen so many different types of fish. The shellfish, of course, is great, and the number one fish up here is besugo, which is a sea bream, and it's broiled and just fantastic. Outside the market, there's also a small restaurant. Again, you notice the signs in French and Basque. Moroccan food was outside and looked delicious. I have to try that next time I pass through. The selection of olives is always incredible when you're close to Spain. And here we have different types of products made from prunes. The baked section, wonderful apple tarts, and other Christmas breads and pastries were available in the outdoor market here. And being close to Spain, hard to imagine that you wouldn't see some paella. The cheesemongers were many, fruits and vegetables, and even Spanish tortilla. Looks like people have been getting into this one pretty early. Well, time to sum it up here. A wonderful day down here in Saint-Jean-de-Luz in the Basque Country of southwest France. If you're ever traveling down this way, whether it's through Bilbao, San Sebastian, Biarritz, they're all very close to Saint-Jean-de-Luz, a lovely coastal town with an incredible market. Thanks for watching, and we'll hope to see you next time as we continue our journey here in the winter through France and Spain. Take care. See you next time.